Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some simple working models, still models and improvised apparatus for B.Ed English. So without any further ado, let's get started. This still model is based on the chapter The Jungle Air Crash which we have in Standard 9. Here, the trees are made of cardboard and the plane is made of paper. This still model is based on the chapter We're the World by Michael Jackson which we have in Standard 8. This is a running track based on the story The Race by Nisha Punjabi which we have in Standard 9. This still model is based on the poem My Grandmother's House by Kamala Das. This still model is based on the chapter The Rightful Inheritors of the Earth. This is an improvised apparatus based on the chapter The Mysterious Picture. In this chapter, we have the protagonist Tile. He is using a special kind of cap that has 3 feathers on it. This is a model of an apple made of plaster of Paris and it is based on the chapter The Newton's Law. This is a simple theorem based on the types of modal verbs. This is another theorem based on the parts of speech. Of the chapter The Trio by R.K. Narayan which we have in Standard 9. Here we can see a ship which is made up of coconut husk. It's an improvised apparatus based on the chapter The Shipwrecked Sailor. This still model is based on From a Railway Carriage. This model is based on the chapter The Sower. And this is a working model of present perfect tense. This model is based on the chapter The Newton's Law. This one is based on the chapter The Mountain and the Squirrel. Here we have a working model of articles and also a cricket pitch based on the chapter Learning the Game by Sachin Tendulkar. This one is based on the chapter The Rightful Inheritors of the Earth. Here we have a model of a train based on the chapter From a Railway Carriage. And here we can see the model of an apple and another working model of opposite words. And here we can see a drum as well. It's an improvised apparatus based on the chapter Bang the Drum. This still model is also based on the poem My Grandmother's House by Kamala Das. Here we can see some TLMs based on homophones and antonyms. This one is based on The Mountain and the Squirrel. This still model is based on the chapter Lanza Flight 508. This is a model of a radio based on the chapter Man and Media. This one is also based on the rightful inheritors of the earth. Here we can see an improvised apparatus based on the chapter on killing a tree, and we can also see a working model based on the forms of verbs. And finally, this one is based on the chapter How Far is the River? And that's all for today, and if you like the video, please do like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and thanks for watching.